Hi guys, this is Kasia, your favorite English teacher, and this is my first unboxing video ever. I've never done an unboxing videos, this is my first. So if you know, unboxing videos is when you get something by mail and then you unbox it in front of the cameras and everyone can see what's inside, yeah, and how we got there. That's the most important part. So let's get started. This is my box. We just arrived today by a courier company. What do you think is inside? Yeah, let us have a look. Let's check. I have big scissors, I have a big box, and I have a big desire to find out what's inside. Let's get started. Yeah? Okay, how do we do that? I'm not an expert in that. I don't get too many big boxes, only occasionally. Okay, so we're getting through some sellotape. Taş maklejąca, sellotape. Yeah. And we have a huge cardboard box. Cardboard? Karton. Yeah, a huge cardboard box. Oh my god, my sofa is gonna finish soon. Okay. Yeah. Oh, by the way, another English word. Yeah. It says here fragile. Yeah. Have a look. Fragile. It means it can break easily. So you might expect a vase or some glass or something. I don't know. Oh my god, inside there is just more cardboard. It's not looking good. Yeah, just more cardboard. Look. Cardboard. Yeah. Cardboard. Oh my god, I just got a cardboard box full of cardboard pieces. That's so disappointing. But I think inside, between all these layers of cardboard, we can find, yeah, there is something inside. Can you see it? Can you see it? There is something. Yeah. Oh my god, it's here. Yeah, it is definitely here. What do we do with it? Do we keep it inside? Do we take it out? Let's find out. Yeah. Let's find out what this is. What this is. Okay, yeah, I think the cardboard will have to go out. So yeah, cardboard out, more cardboard. Yeah, don't want to kill anyone with the cardboard. More cardboard. Oh my god. Okay, that's a bad place for the cardboard to be in. It landed on my computer. Okay, more cardboard. More cardboard. Yeah. Ah. Okay, even more cardboard. Yeah. Okay, and inside we do have. I can't open this. Maybe I just cut a little, yeah? Okay, yeah. I think I have to cut more tape, more sellotape to open that. Oh my god, it's such hard work. I never realized unboxing is such hard work. Okay, and also here we have some staples, yeah? Szybki, staples. But I'm not gonna use these. Okay, can someone help me with this one? Okay, yeah, no, it's still not open yet. I'm working on that. Oh my god. Okay, I just cut through the invoice. Yeah, not good. The invoice is all shredded. I hope they will accept that, yeah, in case of complaints. It's all shredded. Sorry, you don't pack the invoice right under the lid, right? Okay, have a look. What does it look like? What does it look like to you guys? Yeah? It looks to me like a really nice thing. Yeah, it looks to me like more cardboard and some styrofoam. Yeah, styrofoam, styropian, styrofoam. Okay, we do have some styrofoam. We don't need that. And yeah, and we're getting to the more styrofoam. Yeah, more styrofoam. And can you see what it is? Because I already can. Oh my god! Yeah! Wow! Okay. Some foamy styrofoam, yeah. And inside we have, oh, it's brown. It has a brown hilt. I didn't realize it's brown. I thought it's black. I wanted the black one. Hello, guys. It's brown. It's not pretty. Okay, yeah, I'm not complaining. Yeah, no more complaining. But honestly, I have no idea it's brown. Okay, so I'm taking off the foil. Or am I? It's kind of stuck together. Okay, and there is more foil. Okay, I'm not taking off the foil. I can't do that. Someone attached that too strongly. Okay. Thank God to whoever invented scissors. I hope I don't cut anything right now. Okay. I don't want to cut off the belt. Ah! Oh my god, you really have to be strong to use that. Okay, yeah, I didn't damage anything vital. Yeah, I shouldn't be a surgeon probably. No, that would be a bad profession for me. Okay, yeah, it's all set. Yeah, it's all unwrapped. And as you can see, yeah, it is a sword. Yeah, and it is, if you can see the Lego, it's a witcher sword. Yeah. It is the witcher sword, the steel sword, yeah, not the silver one, the steel sword, which means, if you're Witcher fans, it's good only for killing people, not the beasts, yeah? It's not good for a basilisk or anything, it's good for people, yeah? So for the villains, for the bandits out there, it's really good. Okay, there is a belt, and it's a nice one, so I can like put it on my back and go to the park or into a forest to do some hunting. And there, so this is the belt part. This is the sheath. Yeah, it's outside, and oh my god, it does smell good. Yeah, it does smell like really nice leather. It does smell good. Okay, and oh my god, I'm shaking. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's been my dream for a year now, and now I have it. Okay, and this is how it looks inside. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Wow, it's really pretty. Yeah, it's really amazing. Okay, let's see how we can hold it. Yeah. Okay. I'm off the camera. Sorry, I can't hold it really within the camera view. Yeah, doesn't work this way. Okay, you'll just have to see it. How do I move? It's like a mirror image or something. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's really nice. Oh my god. So that was it. That was the unboxing of my Witcher sword. Thank you very much for being with me. Now I have to find a place to put it on my wall. So I'm guessing someone will have to come with a drill and make some more space. It will join its friends. Maybe I'll be able to see it, to show you its friends. Yeah, I hope I didn't ruin the camera. Yeah, you can see two of its friends there. Okay, I have no idea how I'm moving that. Yeah. And the third one. Yeah, you can see more or less my beautiful collection. And it's joining them. So thank you guys for being with me. And I'm finishing. I'm going to have some fun with my Witcher sword. Bye!